Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Dermalogica's Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF50. This is part of the Age Smart family. Dynamic Skin Recovery is a medium weight daily moisturiser with sun protection. Now, the Dynamic Skin Recovery encourages firmness, elasticity and hydration while providing critical protection from daylight exposure while blending smoothly into your skin to create a perfect finish. It is suitable for a mature or prematurely aging skin. You would use the Dynamic Skin Recovery in the morning after cleansing and toning. Apply a generous amount to your face and don't forget your neck, preferably 30 minutes prior to sun exposure. Now it works great with your resurfacing cleanser and then your super rich repair at night time. So just a tip, so if you're pressed for time and don't want to apply a separate moisturiser and a sunscreen, this is great because it's a 2-in-1, so it's very quick and easy to use. So if you would like to purchase any of these products, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.